Assalamu alaikum. Please understand the complete sentences. Two types of sentences: active voice and passive voice. Active voice sentences. In an active voice sentence, the subject of the sentence performs the action on the subject. And the rule of active voice sentence: subject plus verb and plus object. Subject mean file, verb mean fail, and object mean maful. Subject as a worker, verb as an action, and object work on anything, called active voice sentence. In an example, she baked a cake. She subject, baked verb, a cake object. The subject of the sentence performs the action on the object. In this example, she subject is performing the action of baking on a cake object. So, the subject of the sentence performs the action on the object. Passive voice: in a passive voice sentence, the object of the action becomes the subject of the sentence, and the word of the action, if mentioned, is placed after the verb. Passive voice sentence: object plus verb plus subject. Example: a cake was baked by her. Possessive pronoun: a cake as a subject used in a passive voice. Second, if, is, am, are, was, were is given before a blank, then active voice ing from a form of verb and passive voice third form of verb. Please note, in some cases objective might be used. Please note, in some cases adjective might be used. For example, he is doing his work. This is active voice sentence. The work is completed by him. The passive voice sentence: the work object, but used in a passive voice sentence as a subject. The place of subject is completed. Completed, third form of verb, by him. Him is possessive pronoun. Rohan is clever. So these examples are very clear. Please focus your examples and understand the passive voice and active voice sentences, and without or with use helping verbs. Passive voice do not make without helping verbs, but active voice just we use first form or second form we make sentence. So Rohan is clever. This is active sentence. If, as, have, had, be, being is given before a blank, third form of verb will be followed. Example: the work will be completed tomorrow. He has finished his homework. This is to be demolished tomorrow. Be. Be. We use word be. If we use ing words in active voice sentences, then make a passive voice sentence. We use being. Helping verb being, third form of verb. This is the work will be completed tomorrow. The active voice third form of verb will be followed. He has finished his work. This is to be demolished tomorrow. Just follow the third form of verb in sentences. Be and third form. Third, in case been is given before a blank, ing form of verb, active voice. Third form of verb, passive voice. For example, he has been doing this from 7 years. This from 7 years. This work has been completed by him. The work has been completed by him. This is passive voice sentence. Very clear passive voice and active voice sentences. If you get any blank after to, can, could, shall, should, will, would, may, might, must, and verb is missing in the sentence, you will use first form of verb. For example, he is there to help you. 2. He can compete in the games. He will wait for more. Wait for more. Also, passive voice sentences. If an is given before blank, we will use singular word in blank. If an is given before blank, we will use singular word with vowel sound. Example. So, a, an. Both are articles, and use both articles before singular word are noun, a pronoun. If an is given before blank, we will use singular word with vowel sound. So, example, there is a in the garden, grass, snail, bird. In the garden. So, there is a grass in the garden. No, there is a snail in the garden because grass is not a singular noun. Snail is a singular. Understand? I think so. Understand all the words and sentences, and you are use easily articles and nouns. Snail is a correct word, but grass and birds not correct. If there is any blank after a and the, it will be followed by a noun or adjective. Number 1, a and the plus noun. Rohan is a boy. The boy is a noun. A and the plus adjective plus noun. Rohan is a clever boy. Boy is noun, clever is adjective. So first sentence is used thus just noun. Both are nouns and we use article a. But second, Rohan is a clever boy. We use noun, article a and a, clever adjective and boy noun. We use articles in a correct way. So please watch and understand all the examples and apply in your practically. If subject in the sentence is singular, S form of verb will be used. Subject, the sentence is singular. For example, Rohan, subject singular, a 20-year boy plays for India. Rohan, noun, place, verb. We use S form of verb. If subject in the sentence is plural, verb will not end with S. For example, the claim to have reached the mountains in 1920. They claim, the they plural claim, we do not use S. To have reached, reach, this is verb, the mountains in 1920. Any blank after many, several, numerous, one of will be in plural form. For example, available. Many opportunities are available in the communication field. One of the friend is in the army. Allah Hafiz.